Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the app is installed and up to date. Open the delay snipping interface and set an initial delay, for example 3 seconds. This buys you time to position windows. Choose snip area mode, full, window, or rectangle, so the tool knows what to capture. Once configured, enable cursor capture and countdown overlay if you want mouse movement included. This prevents wasted retakes and ensures the tool records exactly what you see when the timer fires, saving time and avoiding mistakes. Next, you use the countdown to actively arrange elements on screen. Preview the layout and move windows or menus into final positions while the timer runs. This real-time setup prevents last-second adjustments. If you need precision, enable zoom or a magnifier to refine small UI details before the capture. For animations or multi-step sequences, adjust the delay in half-second increments to sync with transitions. Make sure to practice once or twice so you learn the exact timing. When the countdown hits 0, execute the snip and inspect the capture right away for accuracy. If it looks good, save to your chosen format and folder and rename the file so you can find it later. Once done, review any missed elements and repeat with minor delay adjustments if necessary. If the tool fails to capture, make sure no other overlays or screen recorders are interfering. Increase the delay slightly or disable conflicting apps. Then try again to resolve timing or focus issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.